it's your girl B once again, and I wanted to show you guys just a DIY care package that I like to do for Babe when he does come in town, so that he can take back with him on the road. And this is just going to be real simple. He just likes a bunch of snacks, but I'm going to add a little bit more than just snacks, and you'll see really quickly. So let's begin. I just went to the dollar store, you know, and picked up his little favorite snacks, and I just wanted to like make it kind of cute because, you know, I'm a little extra. So this box is just a box that I had from like a package that came in. I don't even remember what was in it, but I put in some, what is it, gift wrapping tissue paper here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle these little heart shaped thingies that I found at the dollar store today, just to make it cute and extra, because that is just me. You don't have to do this. It's literally so extra. So yeah, okay, spread that around, and then I'm going to add some chips. Babe love these chips, and I'm just like, bruh, come on. So I got him some of these. And then I'm going to add some these little thingies that I bought. And here's some Kleenex. You know, can't go wrong with some Kleenex in the truck. Let's see what else. Got him some fruit cups, little pineapple fruit cups. Got him some granola bars. He loves chocolate with almonds in it, so got him some of that. Some more chocolate with almonds in it. I got some wipes. This is my favorite one to get, so I got the ones that I normally get for myself. Let me see. Got him some sunflower seeds. He loves these little tuna thingies. He usually like crushes them up and puts them in this. Do not ask me why. I've never tasted it. It sounds disgusting, but that's what he likes to eat. So I got those, and then I got a couple of these, you know, a little snacky snack. And got him some Halls because it's really cold where he is in West Texas, so in case he just ever starts like coughing or whatever. I got some of these disinfectant wipes. Just, you can never go wrong with that. Got him some Band-Aids. And then I got him some multivitamins that he can just take once a day. So that is it. So this is a quick and easy little care package that you can put together for your significant other when they're getting ready to get back on the road. He is coming tonight, actually, so I'm super excited to see him. I'm gonna try and stay up because I'm pretty sure he's gonna get in late, but he'll be here just literally for like a couple days. I think he's leaving on Thursday. So that is all. Real simple. This is a pretty large box. You don't have to make it this big, but he's literally just gonna take it with him and put it in the truck with him. So yeah, that's all. Y'all, want to show y'all that real quickly. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.